Oh, good morning. What you doing? You want one? I got one for you. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Come on. Come on. Who is that? Stormy. Hey, Stormy. What you doing? What you doing, girl? Here, here, here. Little fella. Here. All right. Who's that? Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Close as you're willing to come. What? No good? Yeah. You want the bigger one? Dang it. Look at this guy. All right. Come here. Here. Come here. Come here, little guy. Who is that? Come here. Where'd you guys go? Hey, let me get this. Oh. There's squirrels everywhere this morning. Man, I couldn't sleep all night. I don't know what it was. Could have been the fish and shrimp we ate last night. But man, I was supposed to be driving. I was supposed to get up at 3 this morning, but looks like I'll have to change my plan. Oh, what you want, little one? Hey, come here. You want something? Yeah, come here. Oh, it's too close to me. All right, here. There you go. All right, let me go get that other one. Let me throw it far enough. Where is it? Where is it, little guys? Where did I throw it? Oh, there it is. Oh. Come here. Come here, little one. It's chilly out this morning, too. A lot of squirrels are out. Yeah, a little one up here. You just grab one for me. These little guys up here. Oh, it's nice. It's probably about 65 degrees right now. Definitely take that. Hopefully the summer is over. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't fall asleep last night till about 3 in the morning. And I went to sleep at like 8:30, and it felt like a week. You know, when you're just tossing, turning, you can't fall asleep. Oh my God, last night just felt like a week. I kept thinking, man, I gotta get up at 3 in the morning, and that's when I fell asleep. So it's just crazy. And it had to be the fish and shrimp. So tonight I gotta change the plan. Maybe just a simple sandwich for dinner, something light. I don't know. But it really messed me up today. I should have been on the other side of the state, but we'll have to switch that. Luckily I'm the boss, so I can do it. Oh, who's coming over? Who is that? You coming back? You want another one? You put your nose up at one before. Yep. Yep. Come here. Come on. Here you go. You gotta drop that one. Look at this picky squirrel here. All right, I got a bigger one. Here you go. Here you go. Come on. You gotta take it out of my hand. Look at that guy. Speedy, is that you, Speedy? Yeah. All right. Picky squirrels. I'm ready to throw that one down. Oh, there it is. All right, let me get this one. The little guys like the small ones. I gotta tell you, we've had a lot less squirrels this summer. I think we've had some predators out here, owl, the hawks, because we had so many squirrels over here last year. They were coming from all over, especially with all the pecans we had. They were coming from all over the subdivision behind us. And I think we had some predators take up residence here. And now we got a new breed, a lot of young ones. But the old timers are still here. Stormy, Buddy, Speedy, Smiley. And they've been here, 3 to 6 years. All right, guys, let me go in. I'll leave a few down for the squirrels here. There's plenty of peanuts up there, as you can see. We load up peanuts and pecan halves up there in that bucket, over there in that bucket. Oh, who's that? Oh, is that you again? Come here. Speedy, only got 2. There you go. All right, I'll leave one more for you down here. I'll bring some more out. I think that's Stormy.